Hi everybody and welcome to another exciting recipe of the Robotics Cookbook. In the last recipe, number 7, I showed you how to zip a folder, and in this recipe we want to do it the other way around, so I'm going to show you how to unzip this kind of folder. So we start by creating a new workflow file in UiPath. And the first thing we're going to do is to create another Powershell script, this time to unzip. After adding the dependencies, we just write a small function called unzip. Finally, we just have to call the function and add the placeholders that we want to use for input and output. Let's store the script before we proceed. Now we can build our workflow by following the same recipe that we used for zipping files. That means declaring arguments as well as reading the script file. Now we're going to replace the placeholders that we put inside our script file. And the first placeholder contains the path where the script can find the zip file itself. While the second placeholder contains the information about where to store the unzipped file. Now once we adjusted the script, we just invoke it using the Invoke Powershell activity. Now I just have to provide the path where to find the zip file and also the path where to store the unzipped folder. Now let's check if the workflow we built has any errors or not. Okay, as you can see, it doesn't work because the destination file already exists, so I have to delete it before unzipping it again. So let's try it again. Now it should work just fine. Here we go. These two documents are the content of the zip. If you enjoyed this video and if you have specific questions regarding UiPath and robotics in general, please leave me a comment down below and I will do a recipe addressing your problem. Thanks a lot for watching this recipe of the robotics cookbook. And as always at the end, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button because it helps me a lot. Thanks.